Computer science videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to use Microsoft PowerPoint on a Mac computer. Tutorial 15. Insert a screenshot to your slide. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to Microsoft PowerPoint. We can now go all the way down to the dock. Go to Finder, go to the OneDrive folder, locate the file, work.pptx, click on this, double click, just wait for that to load. In the meantime, let's now minimize Finder for the moment. There are two ways that this can be done. If we insert a new slide, let's make that slide number 4. We can either take a screenshot using Command, Shift and 3. This will take the screenshot to the desktop. And then let's just drag and drop from the desktop to the PowerPoint presentation. Or what we can do is go to Insert, Screenshots, click on this. And there you go. The screenshot has now been inserted to the PowerPoint slide one way or another using Command Shift and 3 to capture a screenshot to the desktop, or via the PowerPoint presentation where we would go to Insert and insert the screenshot. We can now command S to save, or it is on auto save, so we don't have to worry about saving. Let's quit PowerPoint. And so that's for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.